Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fauziatunisa. I'm from first group and I and my friend will present a presentation. It is about language and society. Okay, in second slide is discuss about what is language and society. Language is the human capacity for acquiring and using complex system of communication. Because humans have the capacity to use complex language far more than any other species on earth. We cooperate with each other to use language for communication. Language is often used to communicate about and even construct and maintain our social world. Language used a human sociality are inseparable parts of Homo sapiens as a biological species. And then there is an explanation of what language from some scientists. The first one is from Sujono that language is a means of spiritual communication is very important in life together. And then from Samsudin, he gave to language understanding. First, language is a tool used to shape the mind and feelings, desire and deeds, a tool used to influence and be influenced. It means language as a meaningful image of the mind that the language is from the mind or the form of language or individually and spontaneously imitates following the form of thought or ideas. Second, language is a clear sign of a good personality or bad, a clear sign of the family and the nation, a clear sign from the mind of humanity. It means language as an image of a personality means that language is related to language ethic that it believes. These language ethics are very closely related to language code voters, social norm, and cultural system that apply in one community. By using language, by obtaining language ethics, then someone personal person. So, can we conclude that language is a system to represent objects, action, ideas, and circumstances, and then a unified system of meaning, and then language is a speech system that will be understood by the linguistic community.
In this session, I want to explain about society. So, what is society? Society is a group of people or community living together and sharing a set of norms. A society or a human society is related to each other through persistent relations or a large social grouping sharing the same geographical or virtual territory. And relation between language and society are complementary to each other. The connection between language and society is tightly anchored. And then the relationship of the two is deep-rooted. Language performs various functions in the society and the society does the same way. If one does not exist, the other one will be affected. Okay, I think is that the explanation about society. Thank you.
Now I will explain about the relationship between language and society. The connection between language and society is tightly anchored. The relationship of the two is deeply rooted. Language performs various functions in the society and the society does the same way. If one will not exercise, the other one will be affected. We know that language is a vital part of human connection. Although all species have their ways of communicating, language allows us to share our ideas, thoughts, and feelings with others. It has the power to build societies, but also tear them down. Language and society influence each other. Is the correct way to look at the relationship. Speech and social behavior are constantly interacting. All the time, language is changing because of social context, and social context cause the language to be changed. However, this does not mean that we should not explore the two other possibilities in some depth, because they can enlighten us about the relationship of language and society. Social context recognizes that people use language and that language is a part of society. Social context try to describe and account for the different ways that different people use language. Social context looks at a relationship between language and society and looks at language as people use it. It considers the relationship between a person's language and their social identity. So, language doesn't affect what we can see in the world, but it is still possible that language affect people and society, because maybe language still affect the way we can think.
I will next explain about relationship between language and society. Okay, language is the primary tool for communication purpose, for establishing peace and order in our society, for showing authority and power, and for attaining goals and objectives. But it can also distract the society if it will used inappropriately. It must follow the conformity governing the society to avoid conflict and to meet the boundary of individual difference. Society, however, controls our language by giving us preference as what are acceptable and not, because each one of us has our own perception or point of view. A group of people might accept our language, but for others, it could be kind of offense or insult. It could be kind of offense or insult. We must know how, when, and where to say it and for what purpose. Social change produces change in language. This affects value in ways that have not been accurately understood. Language incorporates social value. However, social value are only the same as linguistic value when the society is a stable and unchanging one. On societies start changing, then language change produce special effects.
Okay, next paragraph. Some model to explain how language interact with society. Future of society, language, news, and response that are three, and number one, static. Example, ethnicity, gender, and class background. And number two, changing. Example, education, age, social environment, attitude, and fashion. And number three, situation and contextual. Example, immediate social situation, workplace, home, recreation, peer group, perceived formality of situation. Okay, thank you very much. I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.